Hi everyone. To make this clock, I'm going to be using these small pots of paint from Arteza. Nice and beautiful colors. Blues, silver, white, red and gold. And I've taped my hands and also the back of the clock so it doesn't get messy and dirty. So to begin with, I'm going to be using my white pot of paint in the middle of the clock, making sure I'm very careful with the hands. And then when I'm happy with the middle, this is like a base, like a small pillow, like a base for the clock. And I'm going to make sure I've got enough in the middle because I'm going to be adding small puddles of paint on top of this white base. And then I plan to gently wreck it with a stick, and I'm going to tilt my clock to get the nice effect of ribbons and wrecked clock. So I hope you enjoy watching it. Stay with me in the making of this beautiful clock. As you can see, I've started to add the colors now in puddles on top of each other. So stay tuned. Happy watching. Wow, look at these colors, these beautiful vibrant colors. This wine red, the Thalo blue, the light blue. Look at this gold here. I hope it stays nice and shimmery like that when it dries. And I'm so impressed with these ribbons here, ribbon-like, these beautiful lines. And how they've come out, the wrecks. I've wrecked them with a stick and they have come out perfect. I like this middle part, beautiful. So I hope they stay nice and vibrant and shimmery when they dry. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you like this video and I'll share my dried result with you as well. Thank you for watching. Bye now.